Hi, this is Sunshine from Riverside, and this is going to be my last vlog because I just don't think I'm being taken seriously as an artist. You know, with all those weird comments, and so it's just making me cry. I just want to be liked. I don't understand it. I don't know what to do, so I think I'm just not gonna be vlogging on YouTube anymore because it's too painful. So this last poem that I'm vlogging is called Silly Weeds. I no longer wish to be swallowed by that big fish, by giving a fleeting thought to those weeds that proudly sit amongst the wheat, the wolves amongst the sheep, so to speak. They don't belong, and Jesus knows everything. I think I am finally starting to understand Proverbs 4:23. How do I guard my heart? For starters, forgive and forget. Forgetting is the hard thing. Letting go of those hurts you have held on to for so many years. They've almost become your best friend. What good are they doing you, really? It's just the enemy, God saying, have you considered my servant Sherry? I say, hopefully. This unforgiveness and not forgetting is, in actuality, hurting me more than the weeds. In fact, I don't think they are being hurt at all. Look how fast they are growing. But me, I beat myself up on a daily basis. I want to please my sweet Jesus more than anything. Why add another sin on him? Hasn't he paid enough? Painfully bleeding profusely on that cross. He says himself in his own words, if you take a minute out of your busy schedule to read, that there will be weeds and wolves and things that go bump in the night. Never be afraid, for his angels and his Holy Spirit surround us, and he lives in me. My sweet Jesus, how I love thee, even amongst these silly weeds. Proverbs 4:23 says, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Matthew 13:26. When the wheat sprouted and formed heads, then the weeds also appeared. So that would be it. So God bless you. And remember that Jesus loves you and me too. Better late than never. April Fools. Oh, it's hard to keep a straight face to that. How did I do? Did I be fooled? Hey, I ain't going away anytime soon. Oh, there you go. Oh, I can't help it. Sorry, I cracked myself up. That helped so much. Praise Jesus. I'll be back.